Well, we're back here. We're going to take a sneak peek off the 30-06, guys. We got the 30-06 here. I got my gloves out in case I need them, but I don't think I need them quite yet. We've got a 250 degree setting. We're barely using any pellets. And then it says we got to set this for hamburger. I went 250 and said 275. Anywhere from 225. This is the hamburgers. They're running right now. I just ran a thermal pop on them. They're like 120 degrees. It's going to be a little while longer. And this thing is not producing very little oil there, guys, on that. And she's running nice and cool. Put my hand on her, and she's good there. Put my hand up here on top. I'm not burning myself at 250. It's kind of like a warming feel. This side here don't feel very little heat. Top has a little bit. Cold down here is ice. Over here, same thing. Same thing. Same thing. So having something that actually just a little warm right here. Kind of a warm spot right there, but that's about it. She's producing blue smoke. I can't even see the smoke coming out of the thing, but it's producing blue smoke. Barely see it, but the flavor on them hamburgers is going to be out of the world. I've got Mrs. Dash table blend on them. I've got the a little bit of the chalupi. Southwest chalupi, and an extra spicy on them, and the table blend. That's the 3 seasoning I put on there. That's my normal, and then on my I brought out to rest for a little bit. Under here is going to be the one I'm going to be injecting next. I got to grab the needle, and somehow I found a spider, which I don't want into my food. Don't know where it come from. Blew in from the trees. I got a lot of trees right here, so they do blow in every once in a while. But I figure nothing but a dead spider is best to get rid of them, so I don't crawl around. Could have been on a foil wrap or a paper towel. I don't know. Anyway, I got peppers in here that I'm dehydrated. I'm going to dehydrate them a little bit more. I don't think they're quite done. I'm going to cook them off a little bit more. But I figured it's a good place to store stuff right now while I'm trying to cook hamburgers. Because the chilies, I'm going to dry them out all the way. So I can make chili slice on there. So I don't have to buy the $5 hot spice. But this is so nice, guys. A lot of you guys are dishing me for buying a high dollar grill, but when I had this, guys, this was nothing but problematic. I mean, this Chinese garbage here, look, this fell off my truck. That's a Chinese piece of garbage. See, that one there and the other one's off. It's not good. And, you know, this thing here, I mean, I tried to use it. I bought, this is the second one. So basically I had 3 smokers. And you figure at $300 a piece, that's 3 times 3. That's $900 right there in smokers. And then I bought 2 grills that I threw away. That's another $300 a piece. So there's another $9, $12, $1,500. I got $1,500 in grills. And then I got another one I paid $600 for, and it threw away as well. So right there is $2,100 that I threw away in Chinese garbage. And I should have bought something like this, and I would be able to still use it today. I mean, it's pretty sad that I bought all this stuff and it's producing some serious smoke. Oh, it's going to be tasting so good, guys. That other stuff was black. Black in my gloves, guys. I mean, the hamburgers would be black like this. The chicken would be black, and the inside would be completely raw on these products. So buying something like this to cook something, I know it's a real hard kick in the teeth at the first, but the thing is, it's about quality, guys. If you buy something that's got quality and you take a little pride in it, and it's American made, guys, that's why I'm really happy with this thing. It's United States made. It's a 30-06, guys. I'm not a salesman for them in any way. I paid what you guys would pay out the door. You know, I'm on a set income, and I use my stimulus check to help buy this, and also because I didn't have any other way to cook, guys. I lost my house, I lost my home, I lost my money on my bank accounts, my business was destroyed by crime and corruption out of Kansas, and there's nothing I can do. So, and I live in Iowa, but I have no rights in Kansas when I bought a piece of real estate in Kansas, so. And I wrote a check for the whole thing, paid it off in full, so I owed nothing on it with the bank. And then the cops and district attorneys and sheriff's department, they all stole funds from me. And I pour concrete, guys. I used to. A lot of site utilities. That's why you see a backhoe attachment over there. That's for digging for sewer boxes. Mixer, that's for laying block and brick. Air compressor, that's the jackhammer and tapping and breaking concrete up. Old boat I bought, I don't know, a long time ago. I can't use that. It's basically a scrap boat, what I bought. Trailer, I ran the wheels off that, put bigger wheels on it. The dump truck, well, I fixed it up, but it's full of shingles because someone siphoned gas out of it. So I haven't moved it around for a while. That truck, I can't use it either because I don't have the license plates for them. Because I can't buy the license plates because of identity theft. Stolen credit cards out of Smith County, Kansas, shuts down a company. Trailer I can't use, can't pull it because I can't buy a license plate. Got a sand pile, got a hole here for concrete, but my back I can't do it with my back. And it's just too sore right now. I'm hurting too much. So I gotta redig this all out, grade this. I gotta shoot this grade so it's from where the ramp is coming down to here, and then I gotta go over there 10 inches down. But I gotta dig all this up in here, all gotta go down, and this is the hillside. So I wanna bring the dirt water this way to slope it down and then take it that way. And then on top of that, I've got a tube over in there somewhere about where the machine is. So it's got to come this way and that way, not in there. I don't, because the hillside comes down here and water runs here, which this is all got to be cut this way. And this is all got to be cut this way. So it's going to take me some time. I got nothing better to do, but I want to build a screed machine with that metal laying over there on the ground. I picked up some of that. I'm going to make a shaker that I can save these rocks, because I've got, I think, 10 or 12 loads of rock in the driveway. So if I dig it and reshape it, then I can resalvage this rock and put it back down. And I'll put fabric down underneath it again. But I had trucks coming in really quick and dropping rock when I could get a truck, and I was just trying to get in and out of the building, but now I gotta do the dirt work. I screwed up. I was in, they were in a hurry and trying to run a business and trying to just make do what I got. And now I'm trying to play fix the pony on after I got robbed. But the doors were, when you buy doors from from Menards, they come like this. This came from Menards, guys, just like these. All the Menards doors come damaged with forklift and banding straps on them. That's just one door. and they're all messed up. I mean, Menards refuse to even warranty their doors, guys. And look, that door's rusted out. That's a Menards door. Junk. Menards doesn't do justice to the client. They're all about lining their pockets. And I got another door over here. I'm trying to walk over here to get it. I want to show you Menards doors with the barbecue, guys, because otherwise it'd just be boring. If you look at the bay door here, and there's big old dents here, big old dents here, and down there, and down here, up there, up there. See that big ass hole right there? Big hole in the door. That's how Menards sends you doors. Like this, guys. And there's no warranty when you put them up. And when you have to put them up, and there's damage here, here. And there's banding straps on the other side, guys. There's creases, there's forklift marks, forklift gouge marks on them. I mean, they don't give a damn. It's all about how much they can take from you. So I would say do not buy from Menards. There is no warranty. They won't stand behind the product. And this building needs a little love. I gotta put a little of that on there. But I gotta have scaffold to get up there. And I planted a garden here. I was gonna put something in here, but now I'm just gonna wait till the garden's dead and pull that section and all the way across off. I was in a hurry, grabbed just pine I threw up there. I got cedar for it, but I haven't got it up there and put it up there yet. My brother's gonna come up and put it in, so he's pretty good about doing stuff like that for me. But he hadn't had time, and COVID-19 came in, and you know, no matter how much you paint, the paint just does not hold on anything anymore. It's just garbage paint, no matter what brand you buy. But don't buy one of these, guys. Do not buy these or Chinaman Menards doors. You just get garbage. If you want doors that don't seal on the bottom, they rot out, forklift marks, I mean, it's bad. But, you know, they didn't even want to send a rep out. When they did, he said, sorry, we can't help you. It's past time. Yeah, it's only been, you know, years of freaking, you know, I quit buying stuff there because why cater to a company that doesn't cater to the people who buy the stuff? Oh, look down here. This is the bottom. Check this out. See that big old bump here? That doesn't even seal. It's smashed. This is how the doors come. All screwed up. So I've never hit nothing, guys. These doors come straight down on the concrete, and that's all they ever come down on. They don't come down on any boxes, trucks, or equipment, but they're just screwed up from the factory. And they're all bent up. They're not clean, like, you know, like you're supposed to be. See, like this panel here is supposed to be smooth, straight across. Well, the same thing down here, but it's sure not, guys. This is a Menards door. This is how they come. Never changed anything about it. I even tried to fix the concrete where, well, water got on there, and I chipped it out and kind of fixed it a little bit, but it broke out. I'm gonna have to tear out a section and re-pour the whole piece back in there, but right now I don't want to do that. I'm just kind of like on hold on everything. So, and then the mixer, I got to make sure it runs. But yeah, the door bottoms are messed up on both doors. Forklift marks, banding straps on the inside the same way. This is how Menards doors come. So don't buy Menards doors, guys, and that's the reason why. But I'm sorry, I gotta let you go because I'm almost 15 minutes in the video. Didn't realize it. I'll show you later on the finished cook. Bye.